another level. I've been in my bag and I keep getting better. I'm getting richer, that ass getting thicker. My diamonds, they keep getting wetter. Fuck, I look like going back and forth with a little bitch that is not on my level. I do not give a fuck, tell a bitch try her luck, she'll get folded like a pretzel.
Hey y'all, it's Jarmise and I'm back again with another video. So today, I'm showing y'all how I got this cute ass ninja bun. It's perfect for the summertime. It took me like 30 minutes to do. So if you like it and you like to see how I got it, then please keep watching. Alright, so I am starting this style off on freshly washed hair. I just washed it and all I'm gonna do is go in and comb it out. And I'm applying this Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm also putting these drops in their hair strengthening oil and scalp. And these also. Alright, so now that I have conditioner, leave-in conditioner on all of it. Also, you do not want to put you don't want to put too much leave-in conditioner because you don't want your ponytail to start flaking up once you put the gel on there, because the flaky hair ain't cute. So now I'm just going in with this oil and putting some on my scalp. And then I'm going to kind of massage it in. Alright y'all, so for this tutorial, to get this bun, you're going to need 2 scrunchies, wet line gel, a hard brush, a brush that's hard enough for your hair texture. I need one that's kind of hard. So I got me a hard brush here from the beauty supply store. And just a comb. And you also need some edge control, because we're gonna flip these edges for you. You also need some braiding care. You also need braiding care. If you want to do this with your real hair, you can. I prefer using tangle on because it lasts longer and my hair really not long enough for that. So you're gonna start off by taking these down. And then, so I like to section my hair off. I do want my bun kind of high, and you know, it's not gonna work on wet hair like that. Like, it's not gonna be slick as I want it to. So I'm just gonna section off the middle of my hair in like a circle. I'm just gonna take the rest of it so y'all see. It's like I just sectioned the hair up like that. It don't have to be a perfect part at all because you can put it in ponytail anyway. So I'm just gonna twist it back. So now I am just going to proceed to apply my wet line gel and brushing it into a ponytail. Going on my gel, taking a nice amount and just rubbing it all the way around my hair. And I'm choosing to do it on wet hair because actually I've never done a bun on wet hair, but my sister said like it makes it It makes your hair not wave up as much if you do it on wet hair. So, you know, I'm willing to give it a try. And we'll see if it comes out right. I'll take it. I'm trying to get it as smooth as possible. Even in this little ponytail on the inside, you want it to be smooth because, I mean, it just needs to be smooth. You don't want a bumpy inside. That means your outside not gonna lay flat. Alright. So take it. Alright, that's how it looks. Okay. So now I got all of this up. So now I'm just gonna go in and put some more gel on like the base of the hair. I really just want on the edges. So I'm putting like up here. On parts that I see that are obviously frizzy, I'm just going in with more gel. When I finish, I'm just gonna put it in a bun like this. I'm frizzy up here. Gonna put some more gel. You want it to be nice and sleek. You do not want no flyaways. You don't want no nothing. That's the point of doing it on wet hair, so it can be like straight looking, I guess. I have some a little thing of my edge booster, edge control. And I do use a pretty decent sized amount. I just go across the whole front of my head. taking one section of the braiding here. It already comes on the rubber band, and I'm just going to So I did sit up under the dryer for a little bit just because my hair was like completely wet. But you don't have to. If you want to, you can just leave the scarf on for a couple of hours. But you know, I'm trying to go ahead and get this video finished. So I set up under the dryer for about 20 minutes. So let's see how this came out. Ooh. This is what I was going for. So, okay. This is so cute, for one. I love it. Like, let me go put on some lashes right quick so we can get the full look, honey, because right now, I'm feeling it. Definitely feeling it. Okay, so I'm finna go put on some lashes and I'll be right back. End of my video. It came out so good. I definitely like this style. It's perfect for the summer. I had everything at home that I needed. I just used some gel and my crinkle on, and that was it. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at It's Jermis. Thank y'all for watching.